Stay. Stabilize. Hit the corners. Too hard. All right, we're gonna test it out. This is the first time I'm sitting on it. Let me see if it's flimsy or not. But the thing is, it's lighter. All right. Now, I am gonna adjust the wheel to go forward more. So I'm gonna loosen this up. You notice how I'm doing it? I'm loosening it up, but then I'm gonna tie these two in, and I'll be able to shift. But I want the steering wheel right here. So right where I like it, I'm gonna start tying it up. All right, so my setup is pretty simple. The chair, my computer on the side, Forza, and then my projector right over my head. So it's not even gonna be in the way. I'm pointing it down towards my screen. But in order to get it set up like this is incredibly easy to set up, all right? Now, the chair itself, it's one piece, including with the base itself, including with the screws. So you can screw these things up together on the bottom too. Allen wrench, all included with it, except for the game, your console, and your projector screen. Now, you don't have to have the setup I do. You could play on 3 screens, 2 screens, 1 screen, as long as you have a lot of fun and enjoy your chair. Now, this material, like I said, easy, flexible. You're going to be spending a lot of hours in here. Sweat, not a problem. Adjustable, not a problem. Adjustable for the gears, not a problem. Adjustable for the steering wheel and the pedals, not a problem. Now, another great option is that this is very sturdy. I'm about 6 feet tall. It doesn't bother me at all in any kind of way coming in and out. It's very simple. Now, the only solution to coming in, it's only one way because of the actual stick that I have, the steering stick that I have in there. There's no option to that. But if you're going to be playing airplane games, great option to have here. Your throttle, your stick, all the things that you require can be do here. You can replace the pedal, have your same simulator. So if you're going to play flight simulators or car simulators, this CD is perfect. So if you guys are looking for something like this, I hope you guys enjoy the video.